Hey gang, Denise here. I've made a couple of videos about mobilizing with balls, and if you haven't seen them, check them out. Here's another video. This one is a sequence that I came up with using a foam roller, and I really love this one. It really supports me because I'm writing at a desk for a long time, long periods of time, or driving in a car. And what I find is that I can release my back and even get a few bonus little adjustments in my spine as I roll forward and back and just take these long, broad, rolling strokes. I can actually come right up and rest my head here, release my suboccipital muscles. But then what I like to do is start working with my arms, and I drape my body over the roller and start moving with my shoulders. So now I'm getting a great mobilization for my spine, but I'm also allowing my shoulders to release. And then I'll just move segment by segment, allowing this beautiful extension in my upper back, which counterbalances a lot of the postures I find myself in throughout the day. This starts to really enhance my breathing. You see I'm getting a good stretch on my diaphragm here. And so I find, like, even though I'm just resting back over the ball like this, or over the foam roller, I'm getting quite a lot done in the shoulders and the diaphragm and my spine. And as I work segment by segment, my spine actually has quite a chance to adjust. And this starts to influence postures that I like to take, like full wheel pose, or handstand pose, or other shoulder opening postures. So I'm getting so much done. This feels so good. I also find it deeply relaxing to my nervous system as well. So breath is slow, lots happening. And I'm going to just reach my arms overhead one more time. I can even press my arms into the floor. Take a really deep breath. I'm getting a profound stretch through my rib cage and diaphragm. And then I'm going to bring my arms down and help myself roll up from here. Nice to follow that with a forward fold, and nice and easy. Oh, wow. Just feeling so, so good. Very profound effect. So simple. And a lot of people tell me they find the roller so intense, but I'm telling you, that is really yummy. You should try it out. Watch for more videos. They're coming. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.